Hi friends, I'm Prairie Vintage Jewelry. My name is Linda, and today we will be unboxing my new tarot deck. And these are animated decks, as promised yesterday from yesterday's posting. I was anticipating these cards being absolutely spectacular, so I want to share that with you today. So here's my box. This is part 2 of yesterday. I guess that was yesterday unboxing. And these were bought at Hit Point Press, which I will post below for those of you guys interested. But let's see what we have. Ooh, all right. So, what do we have here? Let's take a look. So if you joined me yesterday on that video, you'll see the animated decks, which are pretty damn spectacular. Like, look at this. Animated spells. Okay, so there's a sale right now at Hit Point Press where you can get like 8 decks on sale instead of buying them individually. And yeah, so I bought these cards to use as oracle cards, and they are animated, so they're pretty intense. Animated spells, level 5, volume 1. All right, so, but what I was really waiting for, which you'll see, aside from these beautiful decks, is my tarot, the FABLEMAKER'S animated tarot deck. Like, look at this box. Is this not the most spectacular thing you've ever seen? So we'll be looking at these. I'm not even sure how many I ordered here. Let me see. Okay, 10 decks here. I thought there were 8, but okay, sure. Let's take a look at the tarot deck first. I'm going to shuffle these over here. And we'll open these together. So it says the FABLEMAKER'S animated tarot deck. Bring character stories and worlds to life with tarot. This is by Cami Aropagita and writing by Misty Bourne. All right. Very interesting. So there is a YouTube video of the creators, I guess, releasing this box set. So probably going to be much nicer than how I'm going to share them, but either which way, you get to enjoy with me these beautiful cards. All right, so how do we open said box set? Okay. Ooh, look at this. All right. Very big box. I don't know where I'm going to put it. The FABLEMAKER'S animated tarot booklets. So they do have a kit with another booklet. It's like, I think it's way more detailed than this booklet. But either which way, this booklet is pretty cool. Goes through each card. And if you use tarot cards for gameplay, it goes into how to utilize these cards for gameplay. So here are the cards. Let's take a look and see. All right. Let's get rid of this plastic. Ooh, look at the back side. Right. Okay, wow. So just so we can compare, this is like how thick and heavy. Oh my god, this deck's gonna be insane to shuffle. Look at this. Okay, let's pull some standard tarot. This is the Rider-Waite Classical Tarot. Like, look at the difference. So yeah, it's going to be pretty insane for shuffling, but we'll see what we have. Okay, so you see this plastic coating, which I hate, kind of bubbles up, which is really annoying. So you might want to get plastic sleeves for your tarot, but here we have Justice. Ooh. The Hangman. Death. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. Ooh, that's cool. Star. The Moon. That's neat. The Sun. Oh, that's beautiful. I'll leave the Sun right here. Judgment. The World. The Ace of Swords. Okay, so now we're in the minor arcana. Ooh. The Two of Swords. The Three of Swords. Just raining. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. That's cool. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. That's cool. Knight. Queen. And the King. I don't see much movement on the King of Swords. Okay. Interesting. We got the Ace of Wands. That's magical. The Two of Wands. The Three of Wands. The Four of Wands. Oh, that's so cool. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Ten of Wands. Page of Wands. The Queen of Wands. And the King of Wands. Very cool. All right, the Fool. The Magician. That's neat. That's what's on the box. High Priestess. Beautiful. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. Wow, that's nice. The Lovers. Chariot. That is so cool. It's one of my favorite cards so far. The Strength. Hermit. Got the Wheel of Fortune. And the Ace of Cups. Cool. Four of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Nine of Cups. And the Ten of Cups. That's cute. Page of Cups. And the little fish. That's really cute. The Knight of Cups. The Queen. And the King. All right, we have the Ace of Coins. Wow, that's really pretty. I like this card. Two of Coins. Spinning coins. The Three of Coins. Very nice. Four of Coins. Five of Coins. Ooh, look at that card. Six of Coins. Seven of Coins. Eight of Coins. The Nine of Coins. Very pretty. Ten of Coins. Page of Coins. Knight. That's cool. And my favorite, Queen of Coins. Very pretty. And the King. How nice are these cards? All right, let's pull a card here for the collective. Now let's see how easy these will be to shuffle. A lot of cards. We'll ask Spirit. We'll pull 3 cards and see what message for the collective here for this reading. Whoever's stuck around for this message from Spirit. Yeah, it's a little difficult to shuffle, but I don't want to ruin the coding. Backside's pretty cool. You got all 4, the Pentacles, the Swords, the Wands, and the Cups. So it's pretty cool. All right, Spirit, can we get 3 cards for the collective with these animated tarot deck, with the animated tarot deck message for the collective? Thank you very much. All right, shuffle. Ooh, well, we got quite a bit. We got the 5 of Swords, we got the 4 of Swords, we got the 3 of Swords, and we got the 2 of Swords, which were not shuffled. But let's clarify. Knight of Cups, Ace of Swords, High Priestess, and the Empress. Okay, well, challenging situation. We see here with the 5, the 4, and the 3, and the 2. Seems like there's some indecision, some challenging situations that we're healing from. But we do have truth, and we have the subconscious here. We also have the Knight of Cups and the Empress, so I feel there's lots of love. healing. I feel like maybe whatever's gone on in the past year with some indecision and some heartbreak, there's now some truth and there's some forward movement with love. And the Empress always speaks of fertility and love and joy. And I feel like you guys are this beautiful Empress here. So yeah, I guess this is a reminder if we're struggling through heartache, challenging times, or indecision, to stick to the truth of what we might feel inside. Our subconscious is the truth, that we are love, we are light, we are this Empress, and it is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so these cards are a little difficult to shuffle, but I do love them. I love the artwork, and yeah, definitely worth the investment for sure. I'll put the link below. And then for those of you guys who didn't join me yesterday, we have the animated decks of spells, which are very similar to the one that I opened in yesterday's video, but this is volume 2. This is volume 1. And animated things. This is more volume 2, volume 1, volume 1. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what all came in this kit, but I guess what would be cool to open is this animated things. Let's take a look at this animated things and see what we see. Because yesterday we had animated illusions, the animated conditions, and some spells, and I think townsfolk, which is pretty cool. Let's see what this has to offer. All right, so yeah, the first card is always really bubbly as far as the coding. So if you do order them, just expect to have to iron these out. All right, so the Void. Balance. Ooh. Look at the back. This one, very cool. Okay, Balance. Comet. Don Juan. Uriel. Kind of giving me Medusa vibes. The Fates. Flames. Ooh. Let's take a look at this. What does it say? Oh, which ones are written on the back? Okay, so we only have one here written on the back. With, I guess, stats. Most of these are just all pulling backs. Ooh, the Fool. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Gem. Idiot. Jester. That's very cool. I love that card. Key. Wow. That is beautiful. Knight. Nice. Moon. I love these. These are really nice. This was the animated things. Rogue. Ruin. It's kind of like Tower. Skull. It's kind of like Death. Star. Definite star card. Sun. Ooh, turning into an emperor. That's really beautiful. Talons. Ooh. These are really insane. Throne. And Vizier. I like these. Probably my favorite deck so far out of all the decks I got from yesterday. Ooh, and then the Avatar of Death. Look at that. That's pretty insane. So yeah, I'm going to go through them, but see how this plastic is like all raised. I don't understand why the first top card is always a little bit bubbly, but yeah, just maybe if you do order them, maybe you can order the protective sleeve that they also sell on the same site, but this is volume 1 of the level 5, which, and level 4. So I think these go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then cantrips, level 3, volume 2, and then level 2, volume 2. Interesting. I don't remember ordering all these, but I have lots to go through. So I enjoyed sharing these with you, but the highlight is definitely these tarot cards. Like, take a look at these. The book is absolutely wonderful. For those of you guys new to tarot, I think this is probably a very in-depth book that will help you navigate through. And thank you so much, Hit Point Press. Love my cards. A++ from me. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.